let's make hot cocoa. Now let's add the milk. I'm using soy. And you mix and mix and mix. So we like to add some whipped cream with it, just while it's cooking. And I like to add some cinnamon. When it looks like this, then it's ready to put in your cup. Using my S cup because that's the first letter in my name. Then you pour it in. Now add some whipped cream, which is also optional. And I like to add some more cinnamon, which is also optional. And it should look like this. Be sure to like and subscribe.